how we can do a concatenation into the Dart. Okay, so let's comment out all the parts, and here we will see how we can make do this thing. So to do this thing, let's take an example. Suppose I have a one variable, okay, that is a city name, and in city name I have a value that is India, okay, suppose. And now I want to add this city name into the some other message. So how I can do? So to do this, there are other things. Suppose I can there could be a other final message. Okay, so in final message basically I have, hi, I am from India, I am from, and I can do what is this, I can basically use this plus sign and use this city name. Okay, so this is a one way, but this is not a quiet code. But to remove all these things, what we have in Dart, we can basically whatever the message we wanted to print and whatever the value we wanted to add now, we can add here directly. Okay, so this is the value which we want to use. So we can use same value into the print statement, and to use this value we can, what we can do, we can use dollar sign, just like a Kotlin. So we have to use a Kotlin dollar sign or a Dart dollar sign and before the variable which value we want to use into the this string. Okay, so same we can use, and we can take our work. Okay, and the same thing, suppose there is a value sent to the one object, any kind of the object. Okay, from that object we need to get the value. So suppose I have created the one class that is a demo, that is a emp employee. Okay, and here we have a variable like string name, and in name we have Darshana as a value, and int age is like 30. Okay, this is I am having okay, sorry, this is a int, this is I am having, and I want to use this class object. Okay, and the value inside this object. So suppose what I need to do in that case, suppose emp this code should be var emp. Okay, so I have created the employee object, and whatever the value the emp object has, so that I can access from that emp variable. So I want to use those value. Okay, so what I say, hi, I am. So we need to use that name employee. So we need, what we need to use, we need to use dollar sign, then curly braces, and that from that object we have to access the property of that object. Okay, I am, whatever the name, and my age is dollar. Again we have to use that curly braces and the object name and that property what we want to use. See, in simple way, the property of the string concatenation we can use into the anywhere we can use, basically in the, even we can use if you want to assign this value in some variable, now even we can do this. This is nice guys, so we can do in that way, and we can also print this value. See, okay,